Hey, so Bref McHugh with ClinicGrower here with friend, colleague, and client Vinny with Center for Vein Restoration. Drilling down a little bit on the marketing aspect. We've been working and proud to work with Center for Vein Restoration for well over a year now. Definitely COVID was interesting. We started working right before COVID. There's been a lot of things we've done together. Can you talk a little bit about your experience of working with ClinicGrower and how you started and the point you're at today?
Yeah, in an organization like CVR, you're working with a variety of different vendors all the time, and you're always kind of working with the vendors that you have and making sure they're performing great. And you're also looking for new vendors to come on and bring things that you don't necessarily have yet, or that things that you want to do better. That's really where the door opened up to engage you guys, well over a year and a half ago now, to see what you guys can bring for our growing practice and how you can help support us. And, we were very clear and transparent with what our expectations were with you guys. And to your credit and to the ClinicGrower team's credit, you guys are always very honest with us too. And our rapport has been very transparent, which has helped us go from a very small pilot to a growing initiative month over month as time has gone on. So I think that's been the key to our success collectively here. Again, there's never any guarantees when it comes to vendor partnerships, of course, but this relationship and relationships and partnerships are important to CVR. These things are things that we like to grow and continue and maintain and enhance and optimize. So we look to do no different here with you guys.
Fantastic. We appreciate working with you. And Vinny, if there was anybody or is anybody that's watching the video here and they're maybe thinking about working with ClinicGrower, what advice would you have for them?
Yeah, your results will be your individual results, of course. Just because we're getting a certain level of results or other clients are getting results doesn't guarantee that anybody's going to get the same result. Of course, you always have to put that disclaimer there, folks.
For sure.
But I will say it's been a nice pleasure to work with you and Brad so closely, and how much attention you put towards our practice and growing our relationship was really nice to see and nice to work with. And I think that's really helped our relationship grow and give us the foundation we need to move forward.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Appreciate it.